Thanks for checking this video out. Today we're going to be showing you around our 1965 K-Code Fastback, finished in silver over black. It's got the GT equipment group, 4-speed. This thing's very stunning. Tune in as we get you familiar with its cosmetic condition, its mechanical makeup, get you real familiar with that interior too, and let you hear a 1965 K-Code 289 HiPo engine. We're going to kick things off up front. Right off the rip, I could tell this condition is very nicely restored. The finish on the chrome looks wonderful. There's no oxidation or pitting. If you look low on that lower valence, the beauty rings around those turn indicators are nice and bright. The lenses are good and clear and bright orange. We got front plate mount all good and straight. And this GT package gave this car a beautiful set of fog lamps, which really heightened the look for these things and added a real aggressive look. If you pan right behind me, you see what it looks like without. Still a sharp car, but this takes it up a notch. Underneath this pony, we got a hood latch release, 1-part latch. Hood springs and hood hinges are working nice and smoothly. And there is our date correct 289 HiPo. Very nicely detailed. A lot of the correct hoses, clamps, air cleaners, valve covers, stickers all throughout. So you got a Ford Motor Company bag for our washer solvent. Pretty neat to see. I'll show you this hood closing up now. So smooth action on the hood. It sits nicely into the fenders, the cowl. Really digging that. As we come down the side profile, you see it's riding on the style steeled wheels. Very handsome with the BF Goodrich radial Silvertown double red lines. That's a mouthful. We have disc brakes behind those wheels. GT badging with the GT stripe in black. Pairs so well with that black interior. Straight bodywork. Paint has a wonderful luster everywhere you look. Out back, we've got the exhaust exiting through the rear valence. Those trumpet style tips, just like a GT should have, with a very slick gas cap. Now inside of the trunk compartment, we've got clean, stock, simple. Full-size spare, the matching rim. We have a restoration book here with some good information as they were doing this car years ago. If you want to see more of that, drop us a line. The number is 248-714-2110. We'll show you this closing up. Good smooth action there, nice and consistent, gapped all the way around. Gaps over here on this quarter extension look very nice, and the gap around the rear bumper is good and consistent. As we peer down this rear quarter, it's nice and flat. Someone's done a great job blocking this body. Wheel arches are nice and crisp. Beautiful matching wheel and tire out back. Good consistent gaps from quarter to the door and that door to the fender. Done a very good job actually. All the glass in this car looks nice. The bright work is highly polished, all the stainless work in here, and the windscreen is free of chips or cracks. Doors open up wonderfully. These door cards all look to be new. Nice chrome finish on our window crank and door release, look awesome. These seat covers, free of rips or tears, nice and plush, got good bolster on them still. Those have likely been redone at time of restoration. Nice 3-spoke wood grain wheel in here, looking good. And as we look through this 3-spoke wheel, we get to check out the Rally Pack GT gauges. We've got a tach going up to 8,000 RPMs. We've got a clock on the right-hand side, our speedo right in the center, going up to 140 miles per hour. Super cool instruments on these cars. Full console, top loader 4-speed, heater controls, a factory fitting but updated radio. It's got AM and FM and a cassette deck as well for you. Dash pad is in primo condition. No tears, cracks, or disforming to note. Nice wood grain on the glove box door. The original tire pressure sticker there in the back wall. And the courtesy lamp is working as it should. I'll show you this closing now. Up above me, we've got beautifully trimmed visors, a brand new looking mirror. There's no delamination there. And we check out this headliner above me. It's very tight. You don't see sagging. All the trim on our sail panels is finished in satin, just like it should be, and all the hardware is present. The seal around the rear window looks very good and tight. Rear seat looks awesome, and we have lap belts for everybody. And as far as I can tell, all of the courtesy lamps are working in this car. The dash lights are all working like they should. The indicator even comes on for the brights. Our tach's working, our analog clock's running around, and this radio sounds quite nice. Appreciate you checking this out with us. If you want to know anything more, you can always call us up or check out the listing below. The number to dial is 248-714-2110, and our email is inquiry@lafontaineclassiccars.com. That will be below, along with the link where you can view the full listing to this beautiful car on our website. We got 100 plus pictures, a full breakdown, a full write-up on it, pictures up underneath it, really all the details. If you enjoy the video, be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button if you want to be in tune with our latest arrivals like this K-Code behind me. And if you're after K-Codes, here's one for you, and I got one for your pal right over yonder. Thanks for checking us out. We'll see you guys.